Just had a bright idea. I was just rearranging a few things still around my whole computer area, and as you can see, I've got bulbs laying all over the place. But I want to put up this one to use as a lamp for just above my computer area there. And the problem with it is light is really direct, and so when I tried to set up the camera lighting, it looked horrible because the whole background was completely dark and the lighting on my face was way too contrasty, so you couldn't even see anything. It looked like you had a floodlight faced at me, so that didn't look very good. But it's after midnight now, and because I've been going to bed earlier, I get tired sooner. But yeah, what was I saying? It's getting late and I can't even think properly. Oh yes, I was talking about light bulbs. But yeah, I was setting that all up, and I had this other one that I was going to use, like this little table lamp. But the problem is the umbrella that goes onto it, massive, like it's like this big. It takes up way too much desk area because I've got it organized and arranged how I want it to where I can move around a lot easier, and it's just more efficient workflow of everything. Get sleepy. But anyways, so this wasn't going to work. Although I did have the other part on the top, the little lampshade on this. But I had this huge bulb on it. And this actually stuck out of the lampshade like that much when I had it on there. And so that didn't work out very good. So I switched to this little bulb, which is a 5000K. And that's a better, this one's, I think it's, this is 5500K. So pretty close, but this one, even though it's 500K more, it seems way more, like the light is way more blue, and more of a blue shade, whereas the 5000 seems like right in the middle and perfect. It's kind of weird how that's like that, because I have my other light here, which is my main light, the one that's got like 5 bulbs on it. Those are 5500, but they look completely like in the middle, the same as these little tiny ones that I got. Because the ones I got in the bigger one, those are 45 watt and then a 100 watt bulb. And there's a total of 5 of them. And those look like they're 5000K, the same as this one. But the one that's 5500K, which is the same that's the one that's in my big softbox, they're both 5500K Kelvin, but the one is like way more blue. Looks like it's 2000 Kelvin, like more blue than my other one.
I know I haven't uploaded any videos for several days now. I've actually been extremely busy working on a few things. In my apartment, I've been rearranging my entire drawing and video editing setup. I used to have my table at an L shape, but I've changed it. I got 2 new monitors. I've set those up and reorganized all the wires that plug into the back of my computer. It's taken me about a week so far almost to get this all completed. Now that I've got this all done, I can finally get back to uploading videos at a normal schedule. It was so much work that I thought about documenting all of it and recording, but I just never got around to doing that because I was so busy being focused on trying to get everything done. I had things scattered all over my apartment. I had everything in my living room moved and put into my kitchen and my bedroom and my hallway. But then the problem I had was that I couldn't get to the other rooms. I couldn't use my kitchen. And then because I couldn't really use much of anything in my kitchen, I ended up having a messy kitchen with dishes all over the place, and I needed to take my trash out too, and I did that today, but it really was a lot of work, and I'm still working on a lot of it right now at the moment. I still have to organize my bedroom, the kitchen, the whole hallway area, and fold all of my clothes, do my laundry, clean the dishes. But now I have an entire area in the living room that's has, well, I would say the amount of space I have in here is quadrupled, and because of that, I can get a lot more things done, and it's a lot more efficient. So I'm really looking forward to that into the future now that I've got this all set up that way. But I think at this point I'm kind of just rambling, and I haven't really had much to talk about in this video other than that, because that's really all I've been doing for the past week. But as I said, I'll have a lot more videos. But as far as what I've created here in this doodle, on this banana and this piece of paper, well, it's just a piece of cardboard that's from the inside of a roll of paper towels, and I was going to throw it away, but I decided to keep it to do some doodling on and make some strange shapes on it. But yeah, everything's going pretty good, and I hope you're doing well. Let me know if you have any questions about anything or anything else, and I'll try to be there to get back to you as soon as I can. I'm a busy person, but I try my best to reply to everybody as soon as I can. Thank you for watching, and have a good night. See ya.
Anyways, yeah, I've got a lot of things to do tomorrow. I got a lot of things to work on. But anyways, I'm gonna get headed to bed. I'll talk to you later.